Last video is talking about how Apple banned Fortnite from the App Store. Today I'll just detail it why and like what are the reasons of why like they banning it. So this is a exact replica of a like a scene made in 1984 of Apple, like the Apple commercial of Macintosh. Yeah, this exact scene you can like check in YouTube. So yeah, Epic Games have defied Apple and Monopoly and other stuff. You can read it if you want. 2010 from becoming 1984, the Macintosh advertisement. So yeah, you could get it right. So it means that you can't update or you can't download Fortnite anymore. It means that you're screwed basically. So let me get into like the tensions of what, like how this led to this. You get it right. So basically, before this thing happened, App Store and Google used to take 20% of all the revenue of V-Bucks, like what's that called? Like example, like 30% from Apple. So yeah, Epic Games didn't want that to happen because it would be like a lot. It used to be costlier. So they like kind of denied it. So what like in retaliation, Apple like removed it. We have not heard anything about Google thing about that. And actually, people support what Epic Games has done. So I'll tell you the tensions which led to all this just few hours ago. Few hours in the fact like probably like 20 hours ago because I'm guessing this is like I don't know. This is IET. So yeah, it's much more different. Like okay, I'll tell you. So would you wanna give Epic or not like you wanna give money like $9, $7? Of course you wanna give $7 because it's much more cheaper. So they did this option. Do you wanna give $9 in Apple revenue or fully Epic, which is $7? Of course, people chose this the 7 point something dollars to like Apple, so it became much cheaper, and App Store didn't like it at all, or Apple Inc. So they took retaliation by like what's that called? They basically banned Fortnite like from downloading and updating. Yeah, so you're basically like destroyed. You can't like if you love Fortnite and you bought a lot of skins and you don't have any other account or you forgot your password, you're basically screwed. All your money is gone. So yeah, hopefully Apple like brings the app up like from like banning or what else happens. People stop buying Apple products. I'm guessing because the whole point of buying Apple products in this point is because you want to play Fortnite, because you're a Fortnite fan. I know, tell me in the comments, but so many people supported Epic Games for doing what they did, and Apple did not like it at all. So yeah, I don't think they're gonna bring Fortnite in the App Store anytime soon. So yeah, I hope they bring it up because um, many people do not have what I call like consoles and computers. So yeah, they might only have iPhones. I don't know why would anybody do that, but yeah, I'm just saying you certain situations. Because of this, Apple Inc. will lose a lot of revenue, which is pretty bad for them because you need a lot of revenue to like make your company function. Also to give money to your employees. If I say so myself, it's Apple's loss, not Epic's, because I know like you can like have other apps. If they release an Android, Google will make a lot of money through other stuff, right? But I hope this doesn't happen again, you know. Also, most of the people around the world, like especially like India, Russia, some parts of Europe, and other like th- other countries will be like have Android basically. So it means that it'll be like Fortnite's win-win kind of a thing. Yeah, I get it, right? Yeah, that's it. I just want to get a little depth to it because I didn't go a lot depth at all in that video. So yeah. Also, a sub would be great if you're new. Yeah, that's it, guys. I'll see you all next time. Bye.